Hello everyone and welcome back to Freshers Now. Today's video is going to be about TCS off-campus digital hiring drive, and if you are looking forward to apply to this, first know what are the eligibility criteria and other parameters that you have to be fulfilling before you start applying. In this video, we are going to cover all of the required essential information and also what are the things that you need to keep ready in order to be selected for the role. First off, we are going to head over to the qualification and the salary details. The streams that are hiring are BE, B.Tech, ME, M.Tech and M.Sc, M.Sc from the year of passing from 2019 to 2021. And within 6 to 12 months of IT work experience is also taken into consideration. And digital salary package is 7 lakhs per annum and 7.3 lakhs per annum. And this is regarding UG and PG. So 7 lakhs is given to all of those who have completed your undergraduation, and 7.3 lakhs per annum is given to those candidates who have completed their post-graduations. Heading over to the eligibility criteria, details and the parameters. The percentage that is required minimum aggregate is 70% or 7 CGPA in each class of 10th, 12th or diploma if applicable, or if you have done your graduation or post-graduation, whatever it is applicable, aggregate minimum consideration of marks is 70% or 7 CGPA. The highest qualification that you have completed the course from is the simulated course, which is the duration. No extendable education is taken into consideration. And backlogs, candidates should not have any sort of backlogs whilst applying to the post. And gap or break in the education, it is mandatory to declare gaps in education if any, if you're having any sort of gaps which are having liable reasons. Overall, the academic gap year should not exceed more than 24 months until the highest education qualification. So make sure that you're not having any sort of gaps or backlogs in between. The work experience, candidates must have 6 to 12 months of IT work experience if you are willing to apply. And candidates should be of age between 18 to 28 years in order to be eligible to apply and participate in this. And next is the section where you are going to understand the test pattern for TCS. You will be having 3 sections, which is comprising of advanced quantitative aptitude of 40 minutes of time, and the next section is verbal ability with 10 minutes of time, and the advanced coding, which is given 60 minutes for you to solve. And total you will be given 110 minutes. Then the registration end date is on 25th of February 2022, and here is a link where you can start applying. The same link you can find it down even in the description as well, so you can just head over to just one click and you can start applying there. And then, so I hope we have covered all of the major essential details and other informations which you need to keep hearing regarding TCS off-campus digital hiring. And if you have any other questions or opinions regarding this or any other suggestions that you want to make, please place them in the comment section so that it would be helpful for others as well. Do share it with your friends, whoever is looking forward to landing TCS. Also, consider yourself subscribing to our channel Freshers Now for more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching.